All right, guys. Well, today we are going over the best 223 possible. We're going to be testing out 8 different loads. We got some good looking targets down here. Here they are. But anyway, we're going to be testing out 8 different variants of 223. Let's get to it. All right, guys. Well, let's first try. We're going to use the 68 grain boattail hollow points from Frontier. Out of the 20-inch, I got my Pulsar XL60 on here. I'm going to record there, and I'm going to be recording in the back. Definitely saw something blow out of that. All right, guys. Look, this shoulder is destroyed. I'll tell you that. You can feel it sunk in. It's crushed. Let's see if we can find the exit. Oh, there it is. Little pinhole right behind the shoulder. Oh, nope, that is shoulder. This shoulder is completely missing. Just crumbled right here. But small little exit, nothing crazy. Let's go to the next one. I got these from Make Ready Reloading. These are 75 grain Hornady OTMs. They're going about 28.80 out of this 20-inch. All right, guys. Well, I have no exit from these guys. Definitely shook that whole pig, but no exit. I don't know how all these going to work as far as exiting, but that's what our goal is we want a good exit, and then we're going to work our way up, and we'll do 308 and everything like that. But our goal is to see what is the best exit we can get on these pigs. All right, guys, 69 grain split SBK, Blitz King, whatever you want to call them. They're going right at about 3,000 feet per second. Ooh, that sounded good. That sounded good. Let's see what that looks like. No exit. But guys, I'm telling you, like, this shoulder's destroyed. It is destroyed. Holy crap. No, there ain't no exit down there. All right, these are usually coyotes, but I know people who use VMAXs. These are still from Make Ready Reloading. They are 53 grain VMAX, going right at 33.50 out of this 20-inch. See the entry. Let's see if we can find the exit. And no exit whatsoever. All right, but that's common. I just wanted to test that out. I know that VMAXs are not usually going to go through. These are all about 100-pound, 75-pound pigs, but that shoulder's destroyed. All right, another load from Make Ready. This is a 77 grain SMK, going right about 28.50. That definitely hit harder, it sounded like. Let's go. All right, guys, so look, you see this? This right here? That's his shoulder. Oh, that's gross. But you feel that, Bentley? Yeah, that is not a complete exit, but that's pretty bad. You could see that whole channel. If I cut this open, this you could just feel the shoulder is gone. I know that 68 grain boattail hollow point exit, but that might be, that's insane. It's like a tumor right there. Oh my gosh. Is there anything on the entry side? No. Nope. But all right, let's go to the next one. So far, that's my favorite. Well, now we have the 60 grain VMAX from Make Ready. These are going 31.30.
That did not sound good.
Yeah. That shoulder is destroyed. We're going to have to try a different pig because there's no way I can get a good test on this guy. Holy moly. I wish y'all could feel this. I mean, it is like crushed like no other. So right now it's the 68 grain and the 77 grain SMK. We're going to do a little showdown. Head. Yep. We're going to see what it does. I'm not going to show you through this camera. I'm going to show you through the camera, thermal camera. And that'll be your judge to see who wins. All right, guys, right in the ear. Let's see it. No exit with the 68 grain. But I promise you, I don't know if you can hear that. It's destroyed. 77 grain. Let's try it. Now the 77 grain. I think this is going to be bad. All right, guys, I can't show that. I can't show it. The 77 grade SMK wins. I just can't show it. I'm sorry. I can't show it. I can't show it. It is 77 grain or 68 grain boat tail hollow points. That's my go-to right now on pigs. You're not going to get crazy exits with it. A lot of people think you can get crazy exits. Those pigs will stop it. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed this. We're going to move up in calibers and hopefully get some better exits for y'all. But don't worry, this is going to be a new series. I hope y'all like it. Hope y'all enjoy. Please like and subscribe. Till next time, God bless.